Good morning, guys, from Idaho Springs, and as you can see, it's snowing, and we're getting ready today for pretty much closing the season, and we are going to do Cascade Road Mountain, and then also we're gonna go to Devil's Canyon, which is close by here. So we're about 2.5 miles up on the trail right now, and it is pretty snowy. We didn't expect that, but last night we got some fresh snow, and it's still pretty good, not slippery or anything. You just gotta be a little bit more cautious when you're driving so you don't slid somewhere you don't want to be. We have a good tires, and it's doing pretty well. We're getting more and more snow on the trail, but so far we're managing pretty good actually, and making our way down now, which is worse of course in the snow. So low, for low and low, and just sliding down the mountain. fuel. Careful. Pretty sketchy when the snow is on already. You will see how he's gonna be sleeping down. Yep, you can see that already. Drž to rovně. Keep it straight. Yeah. Okay, now turn. Careful, careful. No. No. Grupo. Can you back up? Whoops. Okay, okay, okay. Woo! Keep coming down. Oops. We arrived at the trailheads of the Devil's Canyon here in Colorado, near Idaho Springs, and as the second trail today. So far, no snow on this trail. Oh yeah, man. Made it on the top of the Devil's Canyon right here. It's pretty foggy, it's snowing, so the view is limited. We're back down from the Devil's Canyon. It was nice.
Super.
Gonna air up, and this is it for today and probably for 2021 season.
For you.
For me. Fuck you, man.
I'm going up.
Today also we tested out the new links I put in, if you remember watching the last video, and the links are still intact, which means it's a good sign, and no problem at all. It was all good, so I highly recommend this. Pretty good, beefy, and made for lifted vehicles.